Yeah.
Kaya talaga.
Baba na kami.
Kuda burat.
Maganda kayo sa akin, dalawa.
Okay, thank you. Ingat ya, ingat.
Backpack. Sir, thank you.
Obrigado. Yes. Uy.
Ito mo magbigay, sabi ko, tapusin mo naman yun.
Dito na kami sa Santarem domestic flight. Tatakbo kami ng papuntang Brasilia, 0540. Then maghihintay kami nandun ng around 9 hours. Brasilia to Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo to Doha. Brasilia papuntang Sao Paulo. 1 and 40 minutes. Lilipat ulit kami mamayang gabi ng 2000 papuntang Doha. Tatlong flight ngayong araw. Thank you. Best selling. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kain muna kami ni Ibot. Brazil no, don't like no arroz.
No.
Why? Filipino like rice. Sandwich. Bravo. Second flight. 24. Kasunod ah. To the... Lalabas tayo, sir. Terminal 2. Naligaw. Last. Kumam. Champagne. Third flight done. See you, mommy. Baby and then we're going to Simon's lunch. Last station. Other side. Diyan na, second floor lang. Last flight.
Welcome to Manila. The local time here is 4:48 p.m.
Finally home. Say hi to the video. Say hi. Hey, Ibis. Kiss mo the daddy. More.
Papasin yung baby. Baby,
Sana. Morning, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Kalbo ka daw, pakalbo.